Let's go explore another beautiful local island and gorgeous Maldives. Let's go to Kamadhoo! I've just arrived in Kamadhoo and the first impression is it's a really beautiful island. It's quite small, the streets are quite neatly lined. Just look behind me, it's all sandy. You can ditch your shoes here like the rest of the local islands in Maldives. And it's in Baa Atoll, which is one of the most beautiful areas for marine life in the entire Maldives. So I'm gonna go get some lunch and then I'll tell you how to get here. I mean, getting around is quite easy, honestly. You just walk around. It's a very small island and it's very easy to go around. Maldives isn't like any other country. It requires careful planning, especially if you're going to the local islands. So I would definitely recommend you check out my Maldives guide and how to plan your Maldives holiday videos. The link is above. So it's really hot here, but this helps. If you're coming in monsoon, I would definitely recommend bringing baggy, light clothes that cover your entire body. Otherwise, you'll be sweltering here like me. Hello from Kamadhoo, one of the local islands that I'm visiting. So this island is located in the Baa Atoll near the UNESCO World Biosphere. Sorry, I forget it all the time. And it is a beautiful island. It is relatively well developed when it comes to local islands. And there are quite a few things you can do here. I'm gonna show you all of those and a bit more. So let's start our adventure for Kamadhoo. Like the rest of the islands in Maldives, I would highly recommend that you start with booking a guest house or a hotel and then let them arrange your transfer. It's not really a good idea to do it yourself. One, because there's a speedboat service from Malé, which takes about 2.5 to 3 hours and costs about $80 to $90. But the days on which it operates keeps changing, so you'll need to check with the guest house when you can do that and then buy your tickets accordingly. The second option is to get here via a domestic transfer to Dharavandhu airport and then a small speedboat ride about 20 minutes from there. So both these options, the local will be able to arrange for you much cheaper and much more conveniently. So check the guest house and they will be able to help you with it. I'm staying in Kamadhoo Inn, which is really nice and it's very clean, very cute, and the guys seem really friendly. Kamadhoo is a relatively known island for tourism and they have a great dive shop if you want to explore the beautiful marine life around. I just finished my breakfast in Odi. It's a really cute little restaurant. I really like how beautiful it is. Generally, food in Kamadhoo is quite nice. I was actually quite surprised at how much variety there is and choice as well. So almost all guest houses have their own restaurants, and then you can have, there's a couple more which are sort of independent restaurants. So it's good variety and food is good, basic but good. This is the Maldivian fish curry. And this is my fresh salad instead of rice. And this is the cute little restaurant. I have never seen this before, but it looks so cool. And look at the view from here. Gorgeous. Here's a little forest you can explore like I'm doing right now. It's really peaceful and calm, and there's something really nice about the waves crashing on the shore, which you can hear from here. There's literally no other sound here. It's amazing and I love it. I'm gonna walk here a little bit more, explore it a bit more, and then go to the Bikini beach. The forest is quite small, but you will come across it when you're heading to the Bikini beach anyway. Oh my god, look at that beach and that water. The Bikini beach of Kamadhoo is absolutely amazing. It's the most beautiful beach on the entire island. And the best part is you can take your shirt off. The Bikini beach of Kamadhoo has its own swing as well. I would remind you to be respectful and not wear bikinis or take your shirts off anywhere else on the island apart from this beach. There are also a couple of places on the beach where you can do yoga, and I obviously took full advantage of that. There's something really nice and serene about doing yoga on the beach right next to these gently lapping waves. So it has rained 2 out of 3 days that I spent in Kamadhoo, and I'm leaving tomorrow morning. It has rained non-stop yesterday and today, and you can see that right now as well. So coming here in May is probably not a good idea, especially late May onwards, all the way to the end of July. It's still quite relaxing though. I mean, I'm still having a good time.
If you're a sunset chaser like me, you need to head to the Bikini beach for the perfect Maldivian sunsets. I honestly wanted to go diving and snorkeling, but the sea was quite rough, so I ended up spending quite a lot of time on the beach. But can you blame me? Look at that!
This is the Maldivian Hammock. Might not be the most comfortable looking, but it's really fun, and you can find them everywhere on local islands.
Kamadhoo is also really beautifully lined with a lot of flowers and plants, and the houses are really cute, and the locals are really friendly, so I would definitely recommend walking around, getting to experience the culture of this beautiful country. So my 3 days in Kamadhoo didn't go as planned, but I still had a lot of fun and I really liked this island. I would also recommend that you check out my Maldives video if you're planning a trip. You would definitely need it.
This is Brown Boy Travels. Do subscribe, like, and share. You can also reach me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video.